Passion for wood and crafts is our motivation. That's why we always strive to make our screws even better. Just imagine a screw with brains. The drive recess enables the bit to be applied with optimized force transmission, even when you're working overhead. A screw with an innovative milling profile on the underside of its head, helping with every application. In wood, it drives precisely into the material with flush countersinking. On metal, the screw slows, helping prevent over-tightening. Imagine a screw point that significantly reduces splitting. The result? No pre-drilling is required in most types of wood. The screw's unique thread profile cuts into the wood fibers like a knife. More than a screw. The SPAX, with multi-head, ground serrations and forecut. Made in Germany. SPAX, build your dream.